Hello and welcome. I recently purchased a new product that Resin is selling, and it is this auto electric epoxy mixer. Now I have this mixer here, the one that you just turn on and it rotates, and it's okay. The problem with it though is you have to go up and down when you're mixing, and that creates a lot of bubbles. So when I saw this one that has all these silicone blades through it, I figured I'll give it a try. So I did purchase it, and it is a new product that they have. So I figured I'd open it with you all. Okay. Just me, or does that look weird? I'll show you. You can see what I'm talking about, like the bubble look to it. Looks used, although it's a brand new product, so that would be surprising. Feels flat. I'm not sure. Alright, aesthetically that top is not overly pleasing, but this is well, all this is really is this thing here. And so you have all, see, look, it does look used. See that? It's very strange. I have not used this. I literally just opened the box for the first time with you all. There's more over there. I'll have to clean this before I even think about it. Look, there's dirt up here too. It's disappointing. Alright, so this is the product, because then you have these 32-ounce cups that it fits onto. And it comes with their cups. I think you get 10, if I recall from the thing. Let's see, 2, 4, 6. Yes, so you get 10 of their cups. And then it also comes with a manual, a charger, and a tool. I'm presuming to take the resin off of the blades. That would be my guess, but I haven't read the manual yet. Let's see if it tells you. Cleaner, yeah. But it does give you the step-by-step here. Basically, what you should do. I'll read that later. I'm going to use common sense for right now. But I would presume you don't ever want to go to the max of this. I think for it to be the most effective, you would probably want to go to where your blades are. So roughly 18 ounces, I would say, would probably be the max you would want to try stirring in this. Which for me is good. That's about, I don't usually use more than that at a time. But I do like the fact that I can go all the way down to 2 ounces and the blades will still hit. It does not hit flush, but it does get very close. Don't know if you all can see that gap there. According to this, it's 50 mil between the bottom and there. So if you're mixing 50 mil, this would not be the thing to use, which you wouldn't want to anyway. It's very simple to mix 50 mil by hand. But for me, I find, mixing it sometimes, especially if I'm doing multiple projects in a day, it's very tiring and taxing on your hand. So if you can find a good mixer, that's great. But again, this one, with the up and down you have to do when mixing, it causes more problems sometimes. This would be great, if you're mixing Resin or Jesmonite or cement or plaster. So if this works, then I can start using this one for that. Although I have multiple blades and I could have been doing that all along. Don't know why I didn't think of that until just now. Alright, so here's the power cable. It is a USB, so you'll need your own USB to put it in. And I have one over here. So you just want to find the power and pop that in. And it looks like there's this red button on top to show it's charging. So I will allow this to go ahead and charge until, I'm guessing, that turns green. Let's see if it tells me. So when fully charged, it will turn green. So once this turns green, then I'll come back to use it. And it looks like it has 3 to 4 hours use when on a full charge. I'm sure it has some charge to it right now, but I always, when I get something new, I like to do a full charge on it. So I will go ahead and let that go until it's green. And then I will come back and try it and see how well it works. Now I also want to check out something else too. So I want to see if this fits on any of these other cups aside from their cup. Well, that's not wide enough. So this is a 16 ounce TCP cup. It would not work in there because the blades hit the side. And I also have I guess it's a no-name brand. But this is an 18 ounce, I believe. It would actually work in there, the 18 ounce one. Yeah, because it doesn't hit the sides. This is some generic brand that I found on Amazon. But it would work on that, it looks like. This literally, it doesn't hit the sides, whereas on this one, it does. It actually hits the sides. This one it does not. Trying to show you the bottom view so you can actually see that there's room on the sides. So I could actually use these as well, especially if I don't want to mix as much. And it does also leave me the gap at the bottom. This one's also roughly 50 mil. And these are a lot cheaper than these. Because I also went ahead and bought an extra box of these because I wasn't sure if it would fit on any cup. I think it was like 20 something dollars for 50. They do have a sale on it right now on Amazon. Yeah, so, and this I did get on sale too. They had, because it was a new product release, there was a percentage off, I think 30%. So it wasn't expensive. I think it was like $20 or $30. Alright, again, I'm going to let this go till it's green, come back and see how well it works. And I'm going to do my initial try in my cup. Well, actually I'll do that. I'll do it the correct way. I'll do my initial try in their cup, and then I'll do a try in my cup, just to make sure that it still spins, because this one actually gives it a good lock tight. See where it like actually fits around the top, whereas on this one it doesn't go around the top. So I want to see how well that works, just so we know if we have options or not, or if we will have to use this size cup, because that's another thing I don't, that's a lot of resin. Alright, I will be back.